you're working with some class, yeah. It's bad, yeah. Make a fella spend the cash, yeah. It's bad, yeah. Girl, you're working.
Hey, Honey Bunnies. Today is October the 9th. It is, I don't know what time it is. It's probably like close to 10 o'clock at night. I took my shower earlier. Combed out my hair. Got myself together. Just got done brushing my teeth. Okay. I walked a little bit. I got some insulin. They took my sugar. It was 134 or something like that. So I'm happy about that. It's going down. Tonight is the first night that I took insulin for the whole night. And my metformin. So I'm going to watch. I asked my nurse to like watch me because I just don't want it to go like real low while I'm sleeping. Which I'll probably be up because I was sleeping most of the day and laying. But I was so excited because I asked her for snacks. Peanut butter and applesauce is what I wanted. I wanted crackers, but she upgraded with the graham crackers, so on point. Everybody here is so nice and so sweet. Since I came in, like I just been treated like I'm the only patient here. And it feels like that. They are like really just taking care of me. I keep telling everybody, my family members and friends that know that I'm here, that I feel like I'm on a mini vacation. So when I first got the call, they were saying that my doctor was saying my A1C level was high and I needed to be admitted into the hospital for about 3 days. So I got here. The other doctor said probably 48 hours. I looked on my chart and it looks like I'm going to be staying here till Friday. So that's the expected discharge date, which would make it about 6 days. But I'm not sure because my sugar was low just now when they took it. So I still have some classes I have to do to learn more about diabetes and to learn how to prick myself, give myself insulin. I don't really want to do that, but I have to learn. Face has been breaking out, but it looks kind of clear today. So, and I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good right now. So we're about to go walk again. I'm gonna see if I can find somewhere else to walk to. That's pretty much it. I just want to give you an update while I'm here. I'm not sure if I'm gonna record so much while I'm here at this visit. That's how it's been going so far. So yeah, stay tuned.
So yeah.
Can you see that little flicker?
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Oh my goodness. What a good boy or girl.
Oh my god.
Sometimes it's really hard to listen to it with a machine because you're essentially, it's like a moving target. I'm gonna try and see if I can.
It looks so much bigger.
I know. When was your first ultrasound?
I was like 5 weeks. That's when I found out.
Oh my goodness.
And then I had one not too long ago. Actually, about a week ago.
Oh, let me see. It says if I plug it.
And it grew so much since a week ago.
Listen, this is like Frank Franklin. 166.
Oh my goodness.
What a good little word, girl.
Oh my god.
Yes, ma'am. I heard it.
I did
You
too.
heard it too?
Yeah.
Happy for you.
I'm so excited. My baby just moved. And I had heard the heartbeat a little bit. Oh my god. I look a hot mess, but I don't even care. And I got another picture. And this baby grew like within a week since me being here. You can't really see it, but oh my gosh. I don't know how to, I'm about to watch the video back so I can listen to the heartbeat and watch the baby move. I'm so excited. I'm supposed to go home today and I'm so excited. I'm just so excited. I'm about to play it back. Yeah, I'm about to play it back.